Yeah, it's a little video just to show you what some of these controls do. We're going to try and cut out some of the noise. I'll show you different ways to do it. Here's the RF gain. If you turn the RF gain back, you can cut out the noise quite a bit. But then you won't get a readout here on your on your analog meter. So you have to turn it up until you can. Okay, now here's the passband tuning. That cuts the noise. Now here's your fade. It's another noise blocker. And your band pass filter. Now, if you turn it up, now here's your attenuator. Cuts the noise down. Of course, it cuts the sound down too. But you really want to knock out the noise. Try your passband tuning. And that cuts out quite a bit of the noise. The band pass, that's a control that has a variable filter from 220 to 1700 hertz. The noise blanker really doesn't do much except for if your ignition noise, I guess, because it doesn't affect this background noise that I get on my radio. There's two things I want to tell you about this radio. Never ever put a regular 9-volt battery in it. Always use a rechargeable battery. If you put a regular 9-volt battery in it, it's going to blow up. Also, one other thing, this spot it says in the manual that the function was designed primarily for use in the CW mode. It allows the operator to listen to the frequency that he is transmitting on. Using this function, the transmitter frequency can be tuned to the incoming received signal. Well, that's a misprint. It's not true. You don't have a spot for zero beating. It's basically used for the VFO A and B. But I won't go into that because I'm not that familiar with it. But it's a pretty cool radio, and I guess I'm one of the fortunate ones that still have one that works. I've heard a lot of people had problems with it. course, now I do have the 500 hertz filter, the 1800 hertz filter, the 2400 hertz filter, and the 6 for AM. And they also help. But personally, I like using the RF gain to lower the background noise. And then if you put this this passband tuning a little bit to the right, you can knock out most of that noise. Just remember, always use a rechargeable battery.